Hey guys, if you're trying to play Roblox on your iPhone or iPad and it keeps crashing, then keep watching, as in this video I'll show you a few ways that we can fix this issue. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the home screen on your phone and then head over to the settings app. From settings, you just need to scroll down and select general, and right at the top here you need to select iPhone storage. Now this is going to provide you all the information about how much storage you have left on your device. If you have anything less than 10% remaining storage on your device, then I'd recommend just freeing up some space by either deleting some other applications, or you can delete some photos, but you basically just need to ensure that you have enough space on your iPhone, as it does require a little bit of storage. So once you've ensured you have adequate space, then we're just going to scroll down the list here and find Roblox, and then we need to click on this like so, and then you're going to select offload app. Click on the offload app button, and then after a few seconds you'll see a reinstall app, so go ahead and click on that. And once that's reinstalled, you can then try launching up the Roblox application and checking if that's now solved your issue. If that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is heading back over to the settings app, scrolling down to general, clicking on software update, and ensuring you're running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes with new iOS software updates, it contains important bug fixes and things like that that's going to improve your performance when playing games on your phone. So just make sure you're fully up to date here. As you can see, I'm running iOS 18, and once you've done that, you can then head back out of this window and then scroll down to background app refresh. At the top here, click on background app refresh and just make sure you have Wi-Fi and mobile data ticked. Then you can head back out of here and then scroll down to Roblox and just ensure it's enabled like so. And then once again, you can launch up the Roblox application, and that should have now fixed your crashing issue. If it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is just uninstalling and reinstalling the app. You can do that just by holding down on the Roblox application, clicking remove app, and then deleting it from your device. And then you'll need to obviously head over to the App Store to reinstall it. You can just search for Roblox and then that will pull it up like so. Another thing that you want to make sure of is that you have enough battery charge on your phone. If you're trying to play Roblox and you have less than 10% battery, it's going to cause performance issues, so just make sure your phone's actually charged up before trying to play the game. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that should have now fixed any crashing issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.